News. Breaking news. My wonderful people, you'll be surprised. APC youth calls Tinubu to a meeting. Change your Muslim ticket. It's not working. And we see doom at the end of the tunnel if you continue. They say now fly where they warn all the time, say, come on for where the dead body there as they wash them. When you not hear word, now they follow dead body, they enter inside grave. You will tell and say, nah, good for you. Well, everybody is saying the same thing. Nobody has a problem with any Muslim or any Christian. What we are saying is, let everybody feel part and parcel of what you are doing. Give everybody a sense of belonging. Nigeria is country, a country that you cannot, circumvent some people. You go ahead, you make some people feel, whatever you're doing, it doesn't work. It doesn't work that way. Whatever you think you are doing, okay, it doesn't work that way. So this is exactly what is going on now, and why Nigerians are being told, please, okay, vote for the person who has your interest at heart. As it stands, it doesn't feel very much like, the candidate of the All Progressive Congress wants to carry everybody along. So what does that mean? To your tent, to Israel. So it's very own people are saying, guy, we feel that you're not making the right choice. Can we please, okay? Can we please include everybody? This is APC. Let's get all the details. The Muslim ticket replace Shettima with a Christian. APC youth tell Tinubu, or there will be serious problem. It seems the last has not been seen or heard about the ruling party, the Muslim ticket, as hundreds of protesters on Friday stormed the streets of Abuja to register their grievances over the position of the party on continuous Muslim ticket ahead of 2023 general election. As reported by The Punch, the protesters under the Alliance of Northern Central Progressive Youth and supporters began the protest at the Unity Fountain, and it continued to the presidential villa, calling on the presidential candidate of the ruling party, All Progressive Congress, Asiwaju Ahmed Bola Tinubu, to dump the former governor of Borno State, Kashim Shettima, as his running mate. The leader of the... Everybody is already seeing these things. The leader of the group, Musa Atta, who described Tinubu as a man loved and adored by Nigerians, insisted that his only obstacle to getting a victory in 2023 presidential election will be his running mate. He therefore called on President Muhammadu Buhari to prevail on Tinubu to replace Shettima with a Christian for the good of the party and Nigeria ahead of the forthcoming general election. Meanwhile, he has reported earlier, the General Secretary, Pentecostal Fellowship of Nigeria, PFM, Dr. Cosmos Elechukwu, said on Friday that same faith tickets, either Christian or Muslim, will not augur well for the unity and future of Nigeria, and everyone who is engaging and involved in such should reconsider, look at things more critically, not for themselves or party, but for the general good of Nigeria. That's the way to go. That's the way a leader speaks. What you are doing, is it about you? Because we must consider it. It must become topmost in our hearts. What I'm doing, is it about me? This is APC youth standing against the guy. It's not Nigerians. Say, it's what they do. They are against me, blah, blah, blah. No. This is his own party guys saying, no, we're not happy. We are not happy. We're not happy. We're not. This is his own people saying we're not happy. What is going on here? We're truly, sincerely not happy. So do you blame them? No. We've also had APC Christian who has also come out. Previously, they would have tried to scam it like they did the scamming of the, bishops they say came, But guess what? They can't scam this one to say, oh, one Christian organization has endorsed it. Excuse me. What is wrong is wrong. There's no that name for it. We are saying for the good of the country, for the unity and the progress of Nigeria. It has always been there is an undisclosed or an unwritten position that says, let's go this way. Let's take a pair. But the pair, even in the ark, though these days things have changed though, it was even the animals entering. They knew it was male and female. Even in the ark. That's a discussion for another this thing. I'm not doubling into that. What am I trying to say? Nigeria is a country that is not only Christians. It's not only Muslims. It's Christians and Muslims. And so you must make other people feel part and parcel that their interests are represented. If for the list of things, consideration of presidential candidates, you do not listen to anyone, excuse me, I am beginning to rethink that, hey, what's happening here? It's an attribute we're already seeing with Buhari that we all detest and hate with passion. None of us wants that kind of person to be our leader again. None of us. 2019, I can assure you for free, it was the court that declared Buhari the winner. 2019. Nigerians did not declare Buhari winner by their vote. No, it was not Nigerians. It was the court that declared Buhari a winner in 2019's election. What does that say to you? What does that say to you? People are genuinely tired. These politicians, the way they go to court and who has the fattest pockets and who can, that's how they roll. It was the court that declared Buhari the winner. It was not Nigerians. It was the court. So if people have started talking to you already and you can't listen to them, hey, there's a big problem. I should be very worried and concerned because that's what Buhari is doing. Even when there was COVID and nations of the world, leaders, we all know of, the Prime Minister of Great Britain. Yeah, he had COVID one time, even from his sick bed in London. There was messages coming from him. That's a leader. He was ill. He was undergoing treatment and what have you, but he did not stop communicating with the people. Even in the height of it, he was still communicating. He was still, there is hope. You will see him every morning, almost every morning. They had meeting with the press secretary. They will have meeting. In Nigeria, what did they tell us? It was Femi Adesina. He said, Buhari does not have to talk to you. You cannot force him to talk to you. Excuse me, the whole world is in lockdown. Where is the direction here? What's happening? Your world is in lockdown. What are you saying? Where are we going? Where are we headed with all this? Where exactly? These are the kind of people we have made leaders. Again, we're at another crossroad, another junction where truths must be emphasized. And we cannot afford to dabble between opinions. We can't be going left and right and center. No, the time to make critical decisions is now. Arise, all people, and make that choice. Because whether you complain from today to tomorrow, the legal process recognized, it's supposed to be the legal process recognized though, supposed to be. Yeah. The legal process recognized have said, this is the way to go. The legal process recognized, they say you should vote because it's called democracy. Okay? It's supposed to be the legal process recognized, although not recognized, although not augured, although not properly, followed. But that was supposed to be it. So what do we do? How do we come out of this? Every one of us with one accord must arise. For that time is now. You see, that time is now. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button so you can get all our latest news. God bless. Have a fantastic and a lovely day. From us, it's bye for now. Have a good day. Bye.